Well, we're going to see the big guy very soon because a week today is Christmas. We got one more week of school, and then you get 2 weeks off from school. And like the Christmas stuff, yeah, that'll keep them busy for like a few days. But then you're just like, oh my God, what do I do with these kids? Great to have lifestyle influencer Nneka Elliott back on the show with some parent-approved ideas on how to keep your kids engaged and happy. Good to see you, Nneka.
Yes, good to see you as well. I know, right? There's so many. They deserve a break too, though.
For sure, yeah.
They worked hard, lots of cognitive-based activity. So this is just stuff that's going to just make them happy and chill, so to speak.
And is this stuff that we do with them, or are they just like, you just send them into the room and they'll do it themselves?
Depending on the age. I've got a mix of things here for you, okay? Let's start off with cooking for the holidays or baking. Sure. My daughter loves to bake, especially she's 3.
No way. Hello, Rain.
Hi, Rain. And there's so many cute little kid-sized items for the kitchen that I'm seeing these days. Look at this little rolling pin. A little spatula. I got this from Kitchen Stuff Plus. And so just a really great way to make them feel special. You can bake with them, but also, hey, I thought of you with these specific things for you.
I even think, too, is just like getting them interested in recipes and making things and seeing how things get made.
And measurements and math, too.
Yeah, okay. You can work in a little math, like the fun math.
Yeah, the little fractions.
Okay, so that's a good idea. Yeah.
Okay, you know I'm a beauty girl.
Yeah, what is all this?
Spa day. Go with me here, a little spa day for the kids, for you and your kids.
Okay, so you got to bring the kids along. Like, are we doing? We're doing this at home.
At home. I'm all about not promoting this idea that the holidays has to be about the hustle and the bustle and you're running around. Sure. You really have to take time to a little self-care as well, and the kids need that also. Ever Eden is a great brand for you to do a spa day at home.
This is like kids-based?
Yes, really? This is multi-generational, so it's good for the whole family, but I love specifically their kids' facial wash. It's a multivitamin face wash and the face cream. It gets them into little routines or rituals, as we like to call them, help them to think about healthy habits early on. Okay. And this has got omegas and amino acids, help them to balance out, cleanse their skin nicely. This shampoo, the detangling shampoo and conditioner, is awesome for kids with hair that's prone to tangling. We use it a lot. We always top off with their SPF 50. It's a high sunscreen, very sheer. It's water resistant, sweat resistant, and all non-toxic, plant-based, pure. You can get this Sephora.ca. The shampoo and conditioner coming in February, though.
What do you talk about when you're doing this spa day?
This is it. So I thought this would be a perfect time during the holidays to get to, figure out how your kids are doing, catch up with your kids.
But just don't have that sit down, come up with fun topics.
Yes, and Mini Minds, this is a Canadian brand, MINNI, minds.com, have these really cool conversation starters. So you have a few.
So I have one here. The question is, I wish I knew more about blank. Name one of your best friends and describe what makes them special to you.
Is that
Gets
cute?
to know who some of their friends are. I am proud of myself when.
Very simple ways to have meaningful conversations.
In your family, what kind of things are often done for one another? Who do you like better, mom or dad? I just added that one.
Hey, that could be there. But again, a good way to start a conversation.
Okay, what about going outside of the house and doing something?
Let's do something. There's so many productions going on in the GTA. Yeah. Mervish has some great ones, specifically some classic Broadway hits. My pick, 42nd Street. Toe tapping, good time, it's big, it's bright, some iconic songs, The Lullaby of Broadway. I love that one. And I Only Have Eyes for You. Listen, this is good for kids 5 and up, but they're going to love this. And
Live
it really
theater
opens your mind.
is so great. We're running out of time, but I want to get quickly to Happy Kwanzaa and coloring overall.
Yes.
Can you quickly take us through Kwanzaa?
Kwanzaa, exactly. 7 days. This year it starts on the 26th, and every day there's a special principle like unity, togetherness, self-determination, and a lot of families, Black Canadian families, do Kwanzaa, and so a great coloring book.
Yeah, coloring is always good too. I know in our family, not that I'm the colorer, but my wife loves the adult coloring books and to sit around the table and coloring with the kids. And you got the whole big coloring thing. This whole table is covered.
This is a great mat. I have all this stuff on my Amazon store as well. If you go to my Instagram account, I've listed everything there for you.
Well, happy Kwanzaa.
Yes,
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
All of it.
How can we follow you, Nneka?
It's NnekaElliott.com, and the same on my Instagram and all the channels. 2 N's, 2 L's, 2 T's.
You got it. Say hi to Rain for us.
Thank you. And it's too.
Morning Live coming up right after this. as we're a week away from the big day.